In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your activity in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a team or just trying to keep track of your own productivity, being able to view your activity in Hubstaff is incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and walk you through each step. First, you'll need to navigate to the Hubstaff website. This is the starting point for accessing all the tools that Hubstaff offers. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see various options, but for today, our focus is on logging into your account. Next, you'll want to click the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your work email and password on hand, as these are necessary to access your account. Type them in the corresponding fields, being careful with any upper or lower case letters in your password, as Hubstaff is case-sensitive. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, you might encounter pop-ups or notifications that provide updates or information. These can sometimes block your view, so go ahead and click OK or Close to remove these distractions and proceed to the main dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look at the left panel of the website. You'll find a variety of options, and what you're looking for is labeled Activity. Clicking on Activity brings up the detailed reports and analytics tracking your work. On the Activity page, you'll find sections for applications, URLs visited, and screenshots. These sections give you an in-depth view of what you've been working on during tracked time. To dig deeper, click on Screenshots. This option shows visual records of your work sessions, captured at regular intervals, helping you verify what was worked on and when. As you explore, you'll notice metrics like worked time, average activity, unusual activity instances, focus time, and work time classification. Each of these gives you insights into how you spend your work hours, helping you understand productivity patterns and areas needing improvement. Scrolling down, you'll see screenshots from your past activities displayed in a timeline. These images can be particularly handy if you need to review specific work sessions or verify task completion for reporting purposes. And there you have it. Checking your activity in Hubstaff is as simple as these steps, giving you a clearer picture of your work habits and improving your overall efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.